Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja. So in this video we are starting what is a linear differential equation. In our previous videos we have studied what are differential equation, what is the order and degree of differential equation, what is the difference between ordinary and differential equations, and we are studying ordinary differential equations in this series. So now we are starting what is a linear differential equation. How do we classify the differential equations, ordinary differential equations, whether they are linear or non-linear? And we will check with some examples also. So please continue this video till the very end so that you can understand in detail what is a linear differential equation and a non-linear differential equation. Okay. So what is the definition of linear differential equation? First of all, we will study the definition and then we will see some examples and understand the concept in detail. Okay. So what is a linear differential equation? Any equation of the type f(x,y) dy by dx, d2y by dx, this is the standard form of differential equation, and we can write it as this also, x, y, y dash, y double dash, and y nth derivative is equal to 0. We can write it as this also. Okay. If we have any differential equation, then we will call it that it is linear, provided is called linear, and it depends on degree. And when we check degree, we just see, suppose we have a differential equation d2y by dx2 plus 5 dy by dx plus 7y equal to 6, and I say what is the degree of this equation? You will say the degree is 1. And in linear equation, linear means degree is 1. When we study equations like this, x square plus 5 equal to 0, x plus 5 equal to 0, x cube plus x square plus 6 equal to 0, we say this is linear equation, this is quadratic equation, this is cubic equation. How do we classify them? On the basis of power. Highest power is 2 here, so we will say this is quadratic equation. Highest power is 3 here, we will say this is cubic equation. But when we study differential equations, we cannot specify, we cannot classify them just on the basis of the highest power of highest derivative. Highest power of highest derivative. Okay. So see, if we have highest derivative here and the power is 1, we cannot say this is a linear equation. It should satisfy these two conditions. What are these two conditions? Let's see. All the derivatives and dependent variables are of order 1. First condition is that if we have a differential equation, in that differential equation all the derivatives, how many derivatives we have? We have first order derivative, we have second order derivative. All the derivatives in the equation should be of order 1. But in this, first order derivative is of order 2. So we cannot say that this is a linear differential equation. Okay. So this is not a linear differential equation. This is a non-linear differential equation. Okay. And second condition is there does not exist any product term of dependent variable and its derivative. What do he wants to say? Like this, suppose we have d2y by dx2 plus 7y dy by dx plus 8 equal to 0. We have this differential equation. Now we will check. For this is differential equation. What is the order of this differential equation? Order is 2. Because highest order derivative is 2. So you will say order is 2. And I will say what is the degree of this differential equation? Then you will say the degree is 1. Okay. So degree is 1. Order is 2. Degree is 1. But is this differential equation, is this ordinary differential equation linear? No, this is not linear, because it does not satisfy second condition. What is second condition? That it should not multiply. We should not have product term. We should not have product term. Product term of dependent variable and its derivative. So we should not have product term of dependent variable and its derivative. If we have, then we will say this is not linear, this is non-linear differential equation. So if any differential equation satisfies these two conditions, then we will say it is linear, and if it does not satisfy, then we will say it is non-linear. Now we will see some examples. In those examples, we will check order, degree, and we will check whether those are linear and or non-linear. Okay, so let's come to example now. So now we have some examples where we will check the order, degree, and whether these equations, these differential equations are linear or non-linear. Okay, so see the very first example, y double dash. I am not writing d2y by dx2. Instead of this, I am writing y double dash, so you can get it, you can understand this. Okay, dy by dx, we are writing y dash like this. Okay, so we will not write dy by dx. Okay, so first question is y double dash plus 3y dash square plus 7y is equal to 0. So here, what is the order? What is the order? Now we can check that highest order derivative is 2. That means order is 2. What is the degree? Degree is also, degree is 1, because the power of highest order derivative is 1. So degree is 1. Now tell me whether this equation is linear or non-linear. We have this equation. What is the condition of having linear equation or non-linear equation? If we are checking whether it is linear or not, so we will see whether it has all derivatives should be of power 1. Power of all derivatives should be 1, and we should not have product term of function and its derivative. Okay, so here we have first order derivative is of power 2. So equation is non-linear. Okay, this differential equation is non-linear. Now example number 2, y double dash plus y dash square plus y square. Okay, so here also order is 2. Okay, degree is 1 because power is 1, and this is also non-linear because we have power of y and power of y dash, and we should not have power of our derivatives. Okay, so this is third one. What is this? Here we have, now tell me what is the order. Order is 2, and degree, suppose we have y double dash square. Degree is also 2. Okay, now tell me whether it is linear or non-linear. See, if we have this example, we have a transcendental function. Okay, we have cos y. How do we solve this? If we will expand this function, we will have powers of y. We know the expansion of cos y. If we will expand this function, we will have powers of cos y and powers of y. If we have powers of y, can that equation be a linear equation? No. So this is non-linear equation because it has powers of y. Next is y double dash minus y cos x equal to x square, and here we have highest order derivative is 2. So we can say order is 2, degree is 1, but here we have product term. So this is also non-linear. Okay. Now we have example number 5. What is that? Example number 5 is y is equal to xy dash plus a under root of 1 plus y dash square. Okay, so now we need to find order, degree, and we need to check whether it is linear or non-linear. So first of all, what we will do, we have y, can we write it like this? Y minus xy dash a 1 plus y dash square. How can we write it now? Can we do squaring both sides? Can we square on both sides? Then we will get this is equal to a square 1 plus y dash square. Okay, and if you will expand this, you will get this something like this. Okay, minus 2xy y dash is equal to a square 1 plus y dash square. Now tell me the order. Highest derivative is 1. So order is 1. What is the order? Highest derivative. Highest derivative is y dash only. So order is 1. And what is the degree? Power of highest derivative is 2. So degree is 2. But whether this equation is linear? No, because it has powers of derivative. It has product term of function and its derivative. So this equation is non-linear. Okay. So now we come to next example. What is next example? Example number 6. Example number 6 is y dash square is equal to x cos x. Okay. So we will not check cos x now, because we should what we check for linear equation. We check whether it has product term of function. Function is y. We will check product term of function and its derivative, and we will check whether it has powers of function or powers of derivatives. So we will check these things. We will not check this x cos x. Okay, because this is x is independent variable. We will not check that. Okay, so here we have y dash square is equal to x cos x. So what is the order? Order is 1, because highest derivative is 1, power is 2, so degree is 2. Order 1, degree 2. And is this linear or non-linear? So this is non-linear. Why? Because it has power of any derivative. Power of derivative, so it is non-linear. So next is this. Very important. See example number 7. Example number 7 is xy square minus x square dx. We have plus 2xy minus x square dy. If we will take it on that side, can we write it like this? Because we will have to write it in the form of differential equation. This is 2xy, so we will write x square as positive because we are taking on the other side of equal. So x square minus 2xy dy. Okay, so we can take this dy dx here. So we have x square dy by dx minus 2xy dy by dx is equal to xy square minus x square. We have this. So highest order derivative is 1. Okay, so order is 1. Degree is also 1. Okay, but here we have product term, so this is non-linear. Okay, so I hope you understand this topic. What is order of a differential equation, what is degree of a differential equation, and what is a linear and non-linear differential equation. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section, and if you are liking my video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find videos of modern algebra and real analysis on my channel. So please visit my channel for those videos, and please hit the bell button so you can get my latest updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.